Unlocking innovation through robotics education. Welcome to our channel, J Robotics. Welcome to the first video in our gas sensor project series. Today, we'll explore the essential components that form the backbone of our exciting Arduino setup. Gather your tools: Arduino board, breadboard, LCD display, gas sensor, buzzer, and jumper wires. We'll take a closer look at each component, discussing their roles in our project and how they contribute to creating a responsive and engaging experience. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of the tools at your disposal and the potential they hold in crafting innovative projects. Let's dive in. Let's dive into the connections based on our code, getting hands-on with our gas sensor project. Starting with the LCD display, connect the RS, register select, EN, enable, and data pins D4, D5, D6, D7 to specific digital pins on the Arduino. According to our code, link RS to digital pin 11, EN to digital pin 9, D4 to digital pin 6, D5 to digital pin 5, D6 to digital pin 4, and D7 to digital pin 3. Also, connect the VCC pin of the LCD to 5V on the Arduino, and the GND pin to any GND pin on the Arduino. Moving on to the buzzer, ensure the positive A-node pin is connected to digital pin 2, pin button. Before we upload the code, ensure you've selected the correct board and port. Go to Tools in the Arduino IDE, choose your board, for example, Arduino Uno, and select the port your Arduino is connected to. Now, you can upload the provided code. As we delve into the output of our gas sensor project, the dynamic interaction unfolds on the LCD display. The upper row of the display represents a changing terrain, responding to real-time gas concentration readings from the sensor. Simultaneously, a game-like scenario plays out on the lower row, with a character dynamically running or jumping based on the gas levels. The audible aspect comes into play with a buzzer providing alerts when significant changes in gas levels are detected. The amalgamation of these elements creates a visually engaging and responsive experience. The project's beauty lies in its real-time interaction. Observe how the character and terrain adapt as the gas sensor captures different environmental conditions.